This project started out with mixing together quick-drying cement to fill in holes surrounding the perimeter of the basement. On the left you can see the materials being used, and on the right you can see the actual mixing together. This depicts filling in the holes around the border. As you can see, we would scoop the quick-drying cement into the hole and then level it out. On the right you can see how those holes looked as the cement was drying. These holes need to be filled in because the flooring needs to be applied to a flat surface. Also, if water or moisture got stuck in these holes and started puddling up, the basement would start smelling mildewy and moldy. We realized that we needed 2 layers of the waterproofing because the first coat was not evenly distributed, and therefore the waterproofing would not be as effective as it should have been. As you can see, this is the application of the first few rows of boards with spacers so then the floor was a 1/4 inch away from the wall. As we were laying the flooring, we needed to cut the boards so then they would be properly aligned, and on the left is how we did it using a box cutter knife, and then just on the right is the actual application of the floors. This is the final product, and I am so happy with how it came out.